Hello everybody, welcome back again to the channel ESMPH TV. If you are just new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos. Thank you so much. And for today's video, I'm gonna share you kung ano ang kaibahan kapag ikay nagtatrabaho sa United Arab Emirates kumpara sa ibang bansa. Specifically sa Canada or sa USA. Okay, so handa na bang lahat? And for your information, andito po ako sa Masdar Park. So, ito maganda ang tanawing ito. Galing po ako nagpa-PCR test doon sa G4 Laboratory. Kasi requirement namin na makapasok kami sa school by Monday. At least may 96 hours na negative ang result ng PCR namin. At makikita ito sa Alucin apps. So ang Alucin apps is just like an app kung saan makikita ang resulta ng mga PCR testing mo at saka vaccination. So kapag negative ito, magkukulay itong green, at kung positive naman, magkukulay itong pula. Alright, so that's just an intro. Anyways, the first advantage kung ikay nagtatrabaho sa United Arab Emirates ay ang walang buwis. So ang sahod mo ay makukuha mo ng buong buo. Walang buwis. This country is tax free. Even when I was in Oman, because Oman also is one of the GCC countries, isa din siya sa mga Gulfo or Gulf countries dito sa Middle East, wala ring buwis or tax. So yan ang pinakamaganda. Okay? So kapag ikaw ay nakapagtrabaho ng isang public school or charter school or semi-public school or semi-private school, lahat-lahat ito walang buwis. Kung ikaw naman nagtatrabaho sa Filipino school, Indian school, or any nationalities na school, lahat-lahat ay walang buwis sapagkat ito ay isang requirement ng government dito. Okay. Samantalang kung ikaw ay nasa Western countries, UK, any European countries, United States of America, Canada, of course, you have to pay your own tax every month from your salary, right? Okay. Next advantage when you are working here in the United Arab Emirates is that ang visa mo ay pwedeng makapagkuha ng family mo. Pwede kang makapag-sponsor ng family visa kapag ang sahod mo ay nasa requirement ng government dito. Kapag ikay makapagsahod at least 8,000 up, pwede ka na makapag-sponsor visa. Lalo na kapag ikaw ay parent dito, pwede mong makuha anytime ang asawa mo, ang mga anak mo. Pero dapat mayroon kang isang tenancy contract or may sariling kontrata sa isang bahay. So tenancy contract is one of the requirements in order to apply for a family sponsorship visa for your spouse and for your children. And even for your mom or dad, pwede mo silang makuha as long as close family. Okay? Then ang pangatlo is yung benefits mo in term of medical insurance. Okay? Samantalang sa ibang bansa, free naman sila pero masyadong malaki ang buwis nila. Yung medical insurance sa ibang bansa ay okay, facilities okay, lahat-lahat sa hospital okay, pero doon yun kinukuha sa buwis na pinambayad mo every month from your salary. But dito okay naman ang facilities dito sa United Arab Emirates, pero hindi mo pwedeng ang family mo, spouse or children mo, hindi pwede silang ma-free medical insurance sa company mo. Dapat ikaw din ay bibili at kukuha ng medical insurance para sa family mo. Kasi ikaw lang ang sponsored ng isang company. Ini-sponsoran ka lang ng isang company. So at least okay din, di ba? Alright, so for the next benefits in working here in the United Arab Emirates is that marami kang pwedeng trabahong mapagpilian. Kapag ikaw ay teacher, madaming school na nag-hire ng Filipino teachers dito, Indian teachers dito, teachers from Britain, teachers from the USA. Super dami ang mga schools na nagha-hire ng mga expat teachers. As long as you know to speak English very well, you have the knowledge and experience of teaching American curriculum, Cambridge or British curriculum, Filipino curriculum, Indian curriculum, Pakistani curriculum, you can have the chances to apply as a teacher. But kailangan mo ng isang lisensya from your home country para maaprubahan ka dito sa Abu Dhabi Department of Education and Knowledge, or in Dubai that is called as KHDA, or Knowledge and Human Development Authority. Okay? Samantalang sa ibang bansa, ganun din. Sa USA, ganun din. Subalit, sobrang laki ang gagastusin mo bago ka makapagtrabaho sa USA or Canada. Pero dito sa United Arab Emirates, pag maswertihan mo lang talaga ang isang school na public school, o charter school, or semi-government school, semi-private school, talagang patas-patas lang ang sahod kumpara sa USA at sa Canada. Subalit, sa United Arab Emirates ay walang citizenship. Okay, may permanent residency dito kapag ikaw ay makapag-invest. So kinakailangan ng madaming milyones na pera from your home country before ka makapag-invest dito. However, sa Canada, UK, or any European countries, USA, may chance ka dong pwedeng maging citizen or permanent residency. Subalit, ganun pa din. Kahit permanent resident ka dun, lalo nang malaki ang pagbabayaran mong buwis buwan-buwan. So that's it, guys. So kung may mga tanong kayo, pwede kayong mag-comment. I will try to answer all your questions. I can share some insights related to your questions. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. And see you in my next video. Take care.